Today we discuss about class 6 math. We discuss about the product. Find the product 10m plus 1n multiply with 0. So answer is 0. Number 2, 2a plus 2b multiply with 4a. So first we multiply 4a with 2a plus 2b and the answer is 8a square plus 8ab. Number 3, minus 5ab and multiply with minus 2ab. Then the answer is 5 to the 10 a square b square. Number 4, 10 pq and 4 qc multiply with 10 pq and 4 qc. So the answer is 40 p q square c. If number 5, if we multiply 12 p square q with 10 qc, so the answer is 120 p square q square c. Thank you.